If you are in your first year or final year of architecture school and you don't understand these concepts, then I'm sorry, your degree is useless. I'm not the one saying this. These are the exact quotes and definitions from some of the greatest architects of all time. If you don't watch this video to the end or fully understand the concepts we explain, you may be lagging behind as an architecture student.
But before I tell you what will make your architecture degree useless according to our pedagogue, I would like to define architecture according to these 5 architects:
Vitruvius, Le Corbusier, Frank Lloyd Wright, Louis Sullivan, and Daniel Libeskind.
Firstly, you have to understand that architecture is both an art and science that deals with the design, planning, and construction of building and other physical spaces for human use. According to Vitruvius, he said architecture is the perfect balance of firmness, usefulness, and beauty. Le Corbusier expounded architecture as the masterly correct, magnificent play of forms brought together in light. Frank Lloyd Wright said architecture is life, and it is the truest record of life as lived. Louis Sullivan sees architecture as form, which follows function. Daniel Libeskind said architecture is not based on concrete, steel, and other physical elements for building. It is based on wonder.
If you notice, something is common in all the definitions: space, form, function. So what is space, what is form, then what is function? Space lives inside form. Form makes space and function happen because form shapes space. Here is it if you don't understand. Think of it like a cup. The shape of the cup is the form. The space inside the cup is what architects call architectural space. What is the cup for? For drinking? That is the function. Here is an architectural example. Imagine a room of 3600 mm by 3600 mm. The shape of the room, which is like a square, is the form. The room inside is the space, and the ability to sleep, pray, study, teach in the room is the function. Truly, form follows function. So now, this is what makes an architect. Design process. Being an architect is not about drawing only. Firstly, we had to understand client's need. Site analysis. This is studying where the building will be built. Climate factor, which is studying the sun direction, wind flow, rainfall, and temperature. Building regulation. These are laws given by the government, like safety requirements. Space requirements. This is planning how much space the room needs and how the rooms relate. And lastly, budget control, which is the amount of money the client has. The last points we are going to be talking about in this video are the area of specializations in architecture and the allied professionals of architecture. We have a lot of specializations and professionals in architecture, but we are mentioning few in this video: architectural design, landscape architecture, residential architecture, urban architecture, religious architecture, building information modeling, and real estate management are the area of specializations of architecture. Structural engineer, civil engineer, mechanical engineer, electrical engineer, quantity surveyor, and project manager are the aligned professionals of architecture.
So if you gain 1 or 2 from this video, like, comment, and share to architecture students. Dope out with Aroja until one day we become a professional architect.